Congratulations on buying your home with cash, because while there is no lender and no loan clock, the paperwork and the deadlines still run the show. Your offer is the Arizona purchase contract, and it carries the 3 decisions that matter most: your price, your closing date, and your earnest money. Because you're paying cash, one attachment rides with the offer itself. A letter from your bank or financial institution showing the funds to close are actually there. The contract says it plainly. In an all-cash sale, the financing section does not apply. You skip straight to title and escrow. Earnest money is your deposit showing good faith, usually wired to the escrow company within a couple of days, and it stays your money credited back to you at closing. The moment the seller signs your offer, acceptance starts every single clock in the contract. Escrow opens your file, and the title company gets to work. Within 3 days of acceptance, the seller hands you their property disclosure statement, the SPDS, which is their written account of everything they know about the condition of that house. Within 5 days, you also get the insurance claims history, 5 years of claims on that property, which tells you what has actually gone wrong there before. Now your inspection period begins, 10 days by default, and this is your window to bring in every inspector you want, at your own expense, on your own schedule. Inspect everything that matters to you, from the roof to the plumbing to the pool, because anything material must be investigated inside this window. Your findings go back on one form, the buyer's inspection notice, where you either accept the home as it is, ask for repairs, or walk away with your earnest money. The seller then has 5 days to answer your repair requests, and silence counts as a refusal. So we watch that clock and keep your options open. Meanwhile, escrow delivers your title commitment, showing exactly what you'll own, and you get 5 days to question anything attached to that title. In the final days before closing, you do a walkthrough, verifying the home is in the same condition it was when the seller accepted, and any agreed repairs are done. Then you sign at escrow and wire your closing funds, always confirming the wire instructions by phone, because wire fraud targets cash buyers like you. Closing day in Arizona is recording day. The county recorder stamps the deed, escrow calls with the news, and the home is officially yours. Because there is no loan underwriting on a cash purchase, you can realistically close in as little as 2 weeks, and you choose that exact closing date when we write the offer. That's the whole journey, and you won't walk it alone. We track every deadline and handle every form, so you focus on the decisions only you can make.